Without plants, there would be no food, no oxygen, and no us. But how do plants actually keep us alive? Let me tell you a love story between the sun and a little green leaf. Long ago, the sun had endless energy but nowhere to send it. He wanted to share his light, his warmth, his strength. One day, he noticed the earth covered in tiny green leaves. The sun began sending beams of light down to the leaves. The leaf caught them with tiny green helpers called chlorophyll. But love stories are never complete with just two. The leaf also needed partners. From the air, carbon dioxide drifted in. From the soil, water climbed up the roots. Now they were all together. Light from the sun, carbon dioxide from the air, water from the soil. It was the perfect recipe. Inside the leaf, something incredible happened. The sun's light gave energy. The water and carbon dioxide mixed, and the leaf created two gifts. The first gift was glucose, sweet food. The leaf kept this sugar for itself and for the whole plant to grow. The second gift was oxygen. Unlike glucose, the plant did not keep it. The leaf let the oxygen go, releasing it into the air like a generous breath. So every time you eat rice or bread or fruit, you're really tasting the sun's light stored as sugar. And every breath you take carries the leaf's gift of oxygen. This is photosynthesis, the love story that keeps our planet alive. The sun gives, the leaf transforms, and we survive. Every time you breathe, remember this. It's because the sun and a green leaf are still in love.